Alright, I'm going to continue our shortcodes and touch on the columns. So if we edit this page, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 column layouts that are built in with shortcodes. And so it's half, third, 2/3, a quarter, and 3/4. So let's start off with half, and I'll go ahead and add 2 halves. And I'll just label them for us so it's a little easier to find. 1/2 and 1/2. So let's update that and view our page, and you'll see that it didn't work. I can't believe I already messed up. So the first thing to note is the last short code has to have yes. So the first one was no, and the last one, only the last one has to be yes, and that's why it says last equals. So now when we update it, you'll see that it'll bounce up. And I guess it was a good example because if you end up having it like that, you'll know how to fix it. So let's move on to 1/3. And you can mix and match these, to equal the full one giant column. So 1/3, last no. And then this last one is 2/3. And since it's the last one, we click yes instead of no, update it, and we get 1/3 and 2/3. Then if we let's do quarters. I'm just going to do 4 of them. So I'm just going to label them so it's a little easier for us to see on the page. And then the last step that I'm going to do is mark the last equals yes. We'll refresh our page and we now have quarters. Let's go ahead and do another one. Let's do 1/2 and then 2/4. So the first one is a 1/2, and then we've got a quarter and a quarter, and we'll make the last one yes. So we'll update that, and we have a 1/2 and 2/4. So there's a whole bunch of mix and matching that you can do. The column shortcodes are really simple. All you have to know is the last one needs to mark as yes. Then I guess the last thing to go over is if it is a full width template, all the shortcodes are the same, and it will automatically format properly for full width or with a sidebar. So it's really nice and handy.